Hey Leo sign, hope you all are well. So this is going to be your reading love and career for second half of March. So we'll see what is the message from guidance and spirit for second half of March for in love and career. So I'm going to use the Rider-Waite card here. So for Leo sign, what is the message from spirit and guidance in love for second half of March? What is the love message from spirit and guidance for second half of March? What is the message and guidance for Leo sign for second half of March? What is the message and guidance in love for Leo sign for second half of March? So the Temperance card, Ace of Cups, the Tower, the Strength, Eight of Pentacles, Knight of Wands. So Leo sign, I'm saying that someone is offering a new love to you. The new offer is coming, or maybe you're going to offer a new love. Okay, the offer is coming very fast towards you. It could be a Leo sign who is coming towards you. Okay, so you are in a very positive state. You are in a very stabilized energy where you will choose the love very carefully. So I'm saying that the reconciliation, whatever the past happened, I mean the past energy who, it could be a past energy who, some problem had happened in your past. Okay, so that past energy is maybe coming to you, offering a new love. Okay, so it could be a past love, and it could be a new love. So mostly the card is saying it's a new love, it's a past love reconciliation. Someone is offering a new love to you, new emotions to you, but you are very carefully choosing the relationship here. Okay, you're not directly jumping it. Also I'm saying it could be a Leo sign who is coming towards you. Okay, that's I so whoever coming to you is maybe, you know seems to be like controlling and know how to handle you. All right, so whoever coming you is very fast energy. All right, so they also working on pentacles before, they're working on money before. That is the reason why they couldn't give you attention and love, but now they are coming with the full force, full energy. All right Leo, so let me see few more cards. What is the message for love? What is the message for Leo sign in love for second half of March? What is the love message for Leo? What is the love message for Leo for second half of March? What is the love message for Leo sign? What is the message for Leo for second half of March? Five of Wands and Page of Pentacles. So Leo, I'm saying that the whatever the problem you had in love, whatever the confusion, whatever uh, the 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 argument, or whatever the stress you have in love is going to be over, and you're getting a new love, you're getting a new offer. Someone is offering a new love to you. Okay, so very strongly new love is coming, new offer is coming. It could be a past reconciliation. Previously they were working on money and they couldn't love you, but now they are coming very fast. Okay, for some Leos it could be a Leo sign. Okay, so but you are very intuitively, thinking about it, and you are going very slow, and you don't want to rush it, and you're thinking from your, intuitive mind, like thinking from your crown chakra and third eye chakra. Oh, okay, so that's what the love message for you guys. Let me see for career. What is the career message for Leo? What is the career message for Leo? What is the career message for Leo for second half of March? What is the career message for what is the career message for Leo? What is the career message for Leo sign for second half of March? What is the career message for Leo for second half of March? The career message is the devil, three of swords, queen of pentacles, the emperor, four of swords, two of cups. So Leo, I'm saying that you are not happy with your work, with your job, wherever you're working. Okay, someone may be leaving job, or someone may be not liking it. You're not happy where you're working. Okay, all right. There could be a money that but you're not liking it. Okay, you're not happy with the work what you're doing, and someone could be leaving a job. Someone could be not satisfied with what they are working. All right, so I'm saying that the devil here, which means that you're not happy with your work. So also it's time to take a rest, Leos, from work. You may be working very hard. Okay, for some Leos there may be a boss who is actually giving you a lot of work. Okay, maybe a lot of project, but it's now you to take a rest. All right, for some Leos, you might be getting a new offer, new love, okay, or new friendship in your career who will help you towards your success. Someone will help you in your career to reach your success. All right, so let me see few more cards. What is the message for Leo in career for second half of March? What is the message for Leo sign for second half of March? What is the message for Leo sign in career? Four of Wands, Page of Cups. So Leos, I am seeing a celebration here. So maybe you may be getting a rewards or recognition, or maybe you're traveling for your work somewhere for and celebrating your success. Okay, I'm saying there is a celebration here in your career, which means that you might be getting a bonus, you might be getting a appraisal or some hike or some good news in your career, and you're celebrating it. Also, I'm seeing the Page of Cups, which means that someone is offering a new offer to you in career. Okay, or maybe you're seeing the better opportunity outside, or better prospectus you want to start. Okay, so something you want to start and you're looking at it thinking whether to start or not. So career wise, I'm saying that where you're working currently, you are not happy, though you are your boss, or maybe you are sitting and observing it, but you also spirit want you to take a rest, but someone is maybe helping you to in your career, or maybe someone is coming towards you to help you, or maybe wherever you're working they are supporting you. All right, also there is a celebration card, which means that you might be getting hike or new offer or some good news in your career, it's coming. All right, Page of Cups, basically it says that you're looking at your career and you're thinking to start something new, or maybe you're thinking of changing job, or something you want to start in your career. All right, Leo, so let me see a general message for Leos. What is the general message for Leos? What is the general message for Leo? What is the general message for Leo for second half of March? What is the general message for Leo for second half of March? What is the general message for Leo's spirit guidance? Please provide a message and guidance for Leo's sign for mid of March. The message is understanding, celebration, and existence. So Leo, I'm very happy for you guys, because there is an understanding where you are sitting, where you're understanding everything and you're going with flow. You're not directly accepting whatever coming towards you, and you're going very slow, and understanding every situation in your life. Also, there is a celebration where you're celebrating with people, where I'm seeing that you are opening a new life, where you are celebrating with friends, or you, you know, you have opened your crown chakra, your third eye chakra, and now you're open for the celebration, where you're celebrating good news, and no matter what, you're understanding everything and you're celebrating openly. Existence means you are the magician now, where you think, like, you know, you're manifesting new thing, where you are asking universe to provide you whatever you need, and it's happening also. So I'm seeing that Leos are wishing to the universe. For example, you're wishing that, hey, I want something, universe, please provide me. And universe is actually listening to you, and you're getting what you need. So existing means you are existing to the universe, and you're asking something, and universe is helping you. So universe is really helping you guys, and you're going to celebrate it, and you're understanding the every situation in life. So Leo, very good card, very good card. Thank you so much. Let me see the message or guidance for Leo sign. What is the message for Leo sign? What is the message and guidance for, what is the message and guidance for Leo sign? What is the message and guidance for Leo sign? So I'm choosing one card here, which will be your message and guidance from spirit. Please provide guidance and message for Leo sign for me from first second half of March. The message and guidance from spirit is angel of strength. So I'm saying that the spirit is saying that you have strength now, okay, where you handling everything, okay. So I'm going to elaborate a little about this card, angel of strength, okay. So I'll tell you what is this about, and if you, so basically this angel is bringing a good news to you, where you increasing power of you. So it's not the time to be passive, but speak your truth and take action, okay. You are capable of taking great control and directing your own destiny, for the power that comes from within, okay, out to the universe. So inner strength and unlimited resourcefulness flow through you at this time, helping you to create real result. Call upon this wonderful angel. So Leo, call this angel, okay, universe, and wish whatever you need, and your own resourcefulness to bring you the focus and resolve to do what necessary in order to make your dreams a reality. So Leo, it's time now to wish the universe and angel whatever you need in life, and whatever you want that to be solved, okay. So please be open, Leos. There's a great message from spirit that please, all the Leos, open to the universe and pray. All right, Leos, hope you like my reading. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.